Hello guys, you're on VM24.com YouTube channel, and today I will tell you how to replace the protective lens on the GoPro MAX 360 action camera. When using the camera for its intended purpose, in extreme conditions, scratches appeared on the lens, as a result of which the quality of the video deteriorated. I don't know how it got worse, but I can assume that is significant. And in fact, for this reason the camera came to us for repair. So we proceed to the repair. First of all, we cover the surface of the display with a film so as not to scratch or damage the display during repair. We usually use a dust removing tape. Then we take a tool, call it an automatic center punch, and break the glass around the edges. Carefully, take your time. It is quite important not to damage the camera lens inside. After that, we remove the large fragments and clear the surface of the old adhesive. We used tweezers. Now carefully clean the surface from the small fragments and dust. To clean the housing, we use a dust removing tape. To clean the lens, we use a special optic cleaning cloth. Preparing a new lens. We got it from our suppliers. We apply sealant in a circle. In our case, sealant called B7000. By the way, the sealant protects from liquid ingress well, but no one will give you a guarantee for this, unfortunately. We wait a bit for the sealant to thicken and attach a new lens. After the sealant dries, we can clean off any residue on the edges. Okay, the work was successfully completed. Thank you for watching and see you around. Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel or read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself and until next video.